I'd like to thank you guys for getting me to over 200 subscribers now, and I can see that you guys want me to do the giveaway, so I will go ahead and start sourcing that item for you. So in case you did miss my last video, basically I said whenever we get to 1,000 subscribers I will gift you guys a luxury item piece. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I basically wanted to talk to you guys about the Louis Vuitton bags that I bought from the Teddy collection that you guys have seen. Now on my YouTube channel there is let me think about that. So there's two bags that I didn't showcase on YouTube, but like I said in my last video, if you guys follow me on Instagram, which you should be. So now, first things first, on my YouTube channel, you would have seen the Teddy Bumbag, for those of you that have watched it. Now, I did source two other pieces, which was the beach pouch and the Shearling Speedy 25. So I got 3 pieces in total, and I ended up returning 2. So originally, when I first sought out this collection and I found out about the collection, I stumbled across the bum bag. And I fell in love with it, and it was just like, if there was a bag that was made for me, it would be that one, for the aesthetic, because everything about that bag is me in one. I hadn't seen any others in the collection, and as you know, it was really hard to get hold of the bum bag, so I didn't actually get hold of it first. So when I spoke to my CA, she told me that she had just sold the bum bag that morning, which was so annoying, but whatever, I was an hour too late. So she did tell me that she had the Speedy in stock, as well as the beach pouch. So I figured, well, this is a limited edition collection. So I figured if I can't get my hands on the bum bag, then I might as well just buy the other 2 pieces, see which one I like, and then go ahead and keep one or keep both or whatever, just see how I feel, but at least then I've got my hands on some of the pieces. So I went ahead and ordered the beach pouch and the Speedy 25. I don't know, something in me was like, just don't give up. So I didn't give up, and I kept ringing, and eventually I found a location that had the bum bag in store. And of course, like I explained in my last video, I was so excited about that, and I was super happy that I managed to source the bag. So I ended up ordering that one as well. Yeah, so all the bags basically came, and I checked them out, I unboxed them all, and ended up keeping the bum bag. I returned the Speedy 25 and the beach pouch. So first of all, let's talk about the beach pouch, this bag right here. And the beach pouch cost, let's see, $2,200 pre-tax. I don't know how much the tax was on that one, but that's how much it cost pre-tax. Now bear in mind that Louis Vuitton's other beach pouches cost around $800, $900, max $1,000 dollars. So this particular beach bag is quite the percent over the other beach pouches. I keep calling it a beach bag, it's a beach pouch. So I don't know, I didn't feel that. I mean, of course it is the shearling that you're paying for, right? But I don't know, I just didn't feel like I would get much use out of the beach pouch, and I didn't necessarily need a beach pouch, but I didn't want to miss up on that opportunity either, so that's why I ordered it in the first place. But yeah, I think that bag just didn't work for me. I think all the pieces in the collection are stunning, so don't get me wrong, I think they did a fantastic job and just beautiful. I don't know if I would reach for the beach pouch again. So the next piece that I bought was the Speedy 25, and that one cost $3,600 pre-tax. So again, the price is quite a lot over, which is the same for the bum bag also. Now really it depends. I think it's just a personal preference. For some people, I've been seeing that the bum bag is way overpriced for them, and they love the bag, but they wouldn't buy it because of the price. You know, because it is each of these pieces are quite a bit over the original prices. I just love the bum bag, so that's really my reason for keeping it. I really did fall in love with the Speedy as well, but I know how hard it is to find these pieces, so I figured, well, it would be a bit selfish of me to keep 3 pieces when I don't really need to. Like, my intention originally was to get the bum bag, and I got it the second time around, right? So then I just figured, well, I might as well just let somebody else have the opportunity to have one of the bags in their collection also, rather than me just having 3 and being in love with one and just liking the other 2, because somebody else could fall in love with the other pieces, you know. So anyway, so that's what I thought. I thought I would just return them and let somebody else have the opportunity to love the bags. So that's it. I think if you can source it, then you are going to want to add one of those bags in your collection. In terms of maintenance and things like that, I obviously can't speak about that just yet. I've only owned the bag for about 2 weeks, so I'm still testing it out and seeing what type of maintenance the bag is gonna need. I assume it will be a bit more than just your leather material or suede, etc. Just to recap the bum bag, in case you didn't watch that video, I paid $3,750 and with tax $4,096.88. So it is a lot more pricey than the leather bum bags as well. But I don't know, I really think that if you just want a piece of the collection, then I highly, highly, highly recommend it. And I really do hope that some of you managed to get your hands on the pieces. I know that there was some of you messaging me saying that you're on the wait list and you didn't manage to get the bags, and I know how it is when you really want to get something that you adore and you just can't. So that was really my main reason for returning the other 2. So I hope maybe one of you, if not one of you, then somebody in this world would have benefited. I haven't really seen the bags everywhere just yet, so I don't know if, I feel like social media is just catching on to this now. But for those of you that are, you know, Louis Vuitton lovers like myself, then you probably already know about these bags. So yeah, I'd really love to understand your thoughts on the bags. I know as well that I've seen some people that are just like, no, this bag is not for me at all. It's hideous. Which I don't see, I don't really see that. So I guess that's going to be it for this video. I just wanted to come and touch up on that really quickly, show you guys the 2 other bags that I did manage to source, and just tell you which ones are kept and that type of stuff. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.